Alright, so I'm gonna share exactly what I did to make my first bag online because I used to want to make money so freaking badly, bro. I would honestly go any ways, go to any extent to try to get some type of money. And the fact that I'm actually doing it right now, it feels amazing. It really does. It is something worth striving for and pushing for. And I really hope I can help you because I would have loved to hear this video 1 or 2 years ago. And I just want to say, I'm not an expert at this, but I feel like I've made that 0 to 1 improvement in your life when you start making money. Because you don't really get those in your life. Those 0 to 1 improvements, they don't really happen in life. Maybe when you start working out, stop eating junk food, making money online, but there's not really that much in life. I've recently got my first amounts of money online and starting to make a lot more. And I've discovered a lot of things which actually made me make the money and share those gems with you so you can also make some money and love your life even more. By the way, if you don't know who I am, I'm Timothy. I just love sharing things that I've learned and hopefully you can think about something that I say. If you want me to coach you on making money and quitting bad habits and stuff, click that Calendly link in the description. I have a club where all of us like-minded can talk and interact with each other. Join that like-minded club in the description as well. And I'll break this video into 4 sections. The first section is my story and what I've done to get to where I am right now, which I still think is an important thing because it just shows all the lessons and things I've realized along the way. And then it'll be the mindsets that I have, which is honestly, I think, one of the biggest reasons why I didn't make money for so long. And then the actual steps to do to actually make money and then actually setting it up so you are able to get the money, which I don't think no one really talks about that, like Stripe payments and stuff. So I started off with watching a bunch of money videos. Iman Gaji, Hamza, all these YouTubers and people talking about money and side hustles and things. And I was so obsessed with that. I wanted to get some online money because I felt like if I didn't make money in the next one day, I would die. Which I just want to say the end of the world happens when a meteor hits and we all die and the world's on fire, not when you don't make money online. So I just want you to think, don't be pressured into making money or think it's something you have to do right now or else you're never going to make money and you're going to die. Like all the YouTubers who say that and stuff, they're probably just clickbaiting you or something. And the first way I started off trying to make some money online was just graphic designing. I tried to make some logos or some little designs that I made, and I didn't even sell it to anyone because at the time I couldn't even get payments or anything, which was honestly a cope, which I'll talk about later on. But I just practiced making some little logos, pretending to be productive about it, and I never actually got any money from it, sadly. I also remember taking a bunch of notes on random SMMA or ways to get money that I never even used, just watching hours of videos pretending to make money and stuff when I actually did nothing. And my biggest excuse for so long was that I'm under 18, so I can't make money. Right now I'm 16, so I broke that belief that I have. And especially the fact that my parents wouldn't let me, which I also got over somehow. And then after that, I realized I can just start making some videos, talking to you right now. I just posted whenever I felt like it, and then eventually got to the point where you're listening to me speak right now. I do some coaching. I even make money in person with jobs, not even online, but just making money in general. And yeah, that's where I'm at pretty much. So there's a bunch of mindsets which I learned from all these experiences that I've had with trying to make money online. And the first one, which is honestly so important, but it sounds kind of stupid, but why do you even want money? Really think about that. Why do you even want that little green bag? Is it so other people can think you're cool? Is it so you can buy some new pair of shoes or some clothes that, let's be honest, you're probably going to forget about in a week? Is it to prove someone wrong, prove your parents wrong, and show that you can actually do something? Is it so you can break the belief that you had about actually succeeding in life? Now, those are pretty good reasons. I'm not even going to lie. I still have some of those reasons. But it really made me think, why do I even want money? And then when I realized, I don't even need that much money. I'm living at my parents' home. I don't really have anything to pay for. I don't need 10K a month or any of that stuff, bro. Don't even get me started on that stuff. I'm chilling, bro. Like, I don't need money. which is why I'm not really focusing on money that much, even though I still do make some money. If you really are focused about making money, bro, just don't let it control your life. Don't sacrifice time going out with friends or being with people or having fun in your life, getting experiences. So when you do get those experiences, you'll be more credible and more conviction in what you're trying to sell, what you're trying to do in your life. Just know going out, doing things in your life is a part of you making money. You getting those experiences and getting those things which you can apply to making money. If I never played a sport in school, I probably wouldn't be as confident. I probably wouldn't be as athletic and competitive to actually make money. If I didn't go outside every day or didn't go out with my friends, I probably wouldn't be as social and willing to put myself out there. A lot of the experiences that we do in life, they do translate over to making money. So don't sacrifice making money right now when we honestly don't even really need it if you're about 16. Don't sacrifice all those experiences for that. My main reason for me wanting to get my first dollar online was to break the belief that it was actually possible. And I just want to say it is 100% possible for everyone, bro. Me, you, that guy next door, our neighbors, it's possible for everyone. You can also get money, especially your first dollar online, by doing anything. So why don't you just do something that you like? The best business model I really feel like is just the one you like doing the most. And it's also the one you stick to the most. So you're probably going to stick to something you like doing. So just choose something that you love doing or find interest in doing. I thought it was interesting to make videos. Cool if I can just be wherever and talk to you right now and actually get some money from it. So I just gathered it up, and over a year, boom, I'm at where I'm at right now. The last mindset I want to leave you with, which is honestly so important for you to have, is that you need to stop thinking that making money is rude or an evil thing or a scammy thing. I really feel like the people who say those things are just jealous that the fact that we're trying to make money, that we're offering something, that we're selling something. Don't let some people that you don't even want to work with or don't even want to buy your product affect the way you live your life. Now, maybe your product sucks and stuff, so they're just hating on it, which is honestly could be true, but don't let people drag you down for trying to sell something, trying to make money online. I'm sorry that it's rude to make money and have a great life. That's what you gotta think about every time someone says some stupid stuff about you. Alright, now I really want you to understand this part of this video, because if you understand this, it's gonna be way easier to do all these things, make money and have a great life. Start living towards the life you want to actually live. For the longest time, I wanted to make money, but I never did the action steps to get money. So the first thing I want to say is, do you even have an offer? Do you even have something that you can ask people if they want to buy? I know it sounds like such a stupid question, but I wanted to make money for so long and I didn't even know what I wanted to do to make money, or I didn't even have something that I could sell to someone. I was just walking around, living my life. Hopefully someone just hands me $100 or something. So please have an offer, have something that you can sell so you actually are able to get money. And then if you have an offer, would you even buy what you're selling? Would yourself 1-2 years ago buy what you want? Would they think it's a good product? Do you think it's a good product, truthfully? Don't worry if you're hesitant about answering that question, because there's a lot of things you can do to make it better, but I don't want to get into all of these ways to optimize your business and things, because bro, I literally just made a bit of money online. It's nothing crazy, but this is exactly how I started to make some money online, realizing that my offer could be better, the things I'm doing could be better, and then actually just making it better, realizing, oh yeah, now my younger self would actually want to buy this. Now I actually think it's good. So as a result, I have more conviction when I try to sell it. But then do you even have people you can sell it to? Do you know anyone? Do you have a way where you can connect to people? Whether it's social media, DMing people, finding a way which you can connect to people. And I just want to say, social media, literally no reason why you shouldn't do it, really. Just post on it like every month, every week at least, and then boom, you're in 1 year, you're eventually gonna have some type of money, some type of way to make money. And as well as something for you to think about, do other people want to be like you? Do you have things that other people wish they had? Maybe you have a nice physique, maybe you have some nice mindsets, maybe you have some money which other people want. Maybe have some experiences or lessons that you've learned and thought of in your life, and other people want to have that same way. Maybe some other people are tired of scrolling and watching so many YouTube videos, and you actually can have some discipline and not do that. Any way that you're able to stand out from someone else or be different from someone else in a good way, you can sell that to someone. You can offer it and tell them how you did it exactly. Hold them accountable with it. Now I'm going to tell you exactly how I set everything up with my Stripe, payments, all this stuff, bank account, all these things, bro. I feel like if I were to watch this video 1 year ago, this is the part I would have paid the most attention to, because I was so lost on how to set everything up and how to do this under 18, and I was so confused how so many people are doing this under 18. But basically, some requirements for this, I feel like. You have to have a parent or guardian or something like that to actually agree with you and want to help you set everything up. And the best way I convinced my parent to do this is just showing how better my life is, showing that I'm going outside more, doing more things in my life, getting stronger, getting better, getting smarter. Then they were more likely to actually help me. It is going to take time. You are going to have patience, because it took me months and months and months before I actually got some type of thing set up. And the first thing I got set up was my bank account, which I just made a joint account with my parents. I don't know how it might work for you, but I just did this account where my parent and me were sharing the same account. So someone over 18 was just dragging me along, basically, so I can also have a bank account and receive payments and use it to pay for stuff. And then for the payments, I use Stripe. I would say it's a pretty good platform to use. I don't know about the other ones. They also are probably good. And for that, I just made my parents the owner of everything. Like pretty much everything that I have, my parents are the owner of it. And then I'm just the co-owner. I'm the admin moderator thing, which can manage the payments and stuff. So I still have control of all the money. It's just that this guy is above me. It's basically living underage. You really have to give them time to do this, though, because it took so long for this to happen. So many arguments or deep conversations. It really put myself at a vulnerable state, but it is worth it. If you show that you change, show that you improve, and show them love, that's how they're really going to want to help you, because they're not trying to drag you down or something. They're just unsure about this, because it is a quite new thing to make money online. And if you could understand them, show them compassion, resonate with them, explain why it's good, have a serious adult conversation with them, seek that discomfort that we've been doing for so long, they'll actually trust you and give it a try. I actually would have thought I would have had to wait till 18, but with enough talks, changes, things I've been doing in my life and understanding, they've actually been okay with it. And when I've been able to tell that, like, oh, I actually made some money, I did this, I did that, and the smile that's on their face, it's so cool. So it's like gone full circle. And also, don't worry about taxes. I wouldn't really try to worry about the legal stuff, especially because all of that things applies to if you're making thousands and thousands of dollars a month, which, bro, no offense, I'm not even making thousands of dollars per month yet. It's just, we're gonna have some time to worry about. Like we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, and that bridge is many miles away. So don't worry about all that taxes and stuff. Just get some type of money. It won't get taxed, I don't think, or anything like that, and you won't have to worry about the government bombing your house or something. And for everything else, pretty much just use tutorials, use the Stripe documents and stuff. Don't overthink about all those little things, and that's how you can get your first bag online. So I really hope you can think about this. I just want to say, you don't have to always make money online. There's always the old-fashioned way, just getting it in person. The amount of money I made from doing people's homeworks and things, 20s and 20s and 20s, and selling video games and stuff that I don't need, hundreds of dollars from that. So you can still make money physically. I really appreciate you watching this. I hope you got something out of this video. Hope you can think about something that I said and apply it in your life. If you want me to hold you accountable every single day and help you make money, give you the skills from all the YouTube videos I've made and all the experiences I've done in my life, which make me not relapse, not do bad habits really, and give it all to you specifically, click that Calendly link in the description where I can coach you and help you and hold you accountable with everything that I've done in my life to get where I'm at right now, chilling, enjoying my life on a nice Sunday afternoon. And if you want to surround yourself with hundreds of people who are like-minded to us, join that like-minded club in the description. It's a pretty great place. Talk to someone right now and do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. Like, comment, subscribe, share, rate this video 10 out of 10 stars so more people can see this video and we can make some money and we can do some cool stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cool little video. I'll see you later. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. Peace. Bye bye. Peace.